we did buy it for $48. They told us it will only refund the money if we give them a 5-star rating. So I guess we probably will not be getting our money back because we won't be giving them a 5-star rating. That's how honest we are. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the HomeAutomationX channel. Now, if you've watched our previous videos, our previous unboxing videos, you're gonna love this one because I have some pretty amazing products to show you guys. And all of these products that we're gonna be unboxing today is going to be given away to one lucky winner. Yes, we're gonna be giving away to one lucky person. Everything in this video can be yours. All you need to do is to be subscribed to the channel, which will give you a chance to win everything. We could keep these products, but it's our choice to give them away to you guys. There is no purchase necessary and you only need to be subscribed. However, if you want to support our channel, you can do so on our Patreon page, which will also give you access to our videos in advance and exclusive content like our bloopers. You only need to enter our contest once and you're good for all future unboxings. So we will pick our winner from the growing pool of entries. Click on the link in the description box below to get the details on how you can win all of these products. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna start off with this box over here, the big one. Pretty sure you guys probably know what this one is, based on our previous unboxing videos. Yes, it is another smart vacuum. Now, this one over here is pretty similar to the other ones. Let me show you guys once I open it. Ow, I almost broke my nail. Okay, hold on. It's this way. I'm so stupid. Got it. There we go. This way. So it comes with, we don't need this. The vacuum itself looks like this. It's got our big power button at the top here. And you also have your rollers to push all the dirt inside. It comes with 2 brushes. Sorry, my nails are not letting me grab anything. It comes with 2 of these brushes, and it also comes with our HEPA filter. It comes with the power adapter, and let me see if I'm missing anything. I'm gonna be referring to my notes here because I don't know everything about all the products. It's by Leafant, and it's great for picking up debris or if you have any pet hair everywhere. The zigzag cleaning is great for covering all areas of your room. It works on floors, on carpets, and it's a great addition to your home. So make sure you guys click on the description box below. There's a link if you want to learn more about that. And let's go ahead and get into the other products. So number 2, what do we have here? Now make sure if you guys want to enter to win, you check out the link in the description box, and that's how you'll find out more information on how you can win these amazing products, because this one is my favorite. This is the video doorbell. It's the One Halo video doorbell by Love You. Now this video doorbell is 180-degree vertical field of view, so you can get more of the picture. Also, the video is 2K, so the quality is better than your standard 1080p doorbells. You are also able to connect it to your 2.4 and 5 gig Wi-Fi. It also supports up to 128 gigs of micro SD card storage, and it's onboard storage, so there is no need for monthly fees that you would have to worry to pay for. Should I do a dedicated video on this, guys? I want to show you guys the inside. This doorbell kind of matches my outfit right now. Now, let me show you guys. That's how the doorbell looks. Yes, we match. Totally did that on purpose. And these are the mounts that it comes with. Comes with a few different types of mounts. Depending on how you want your doorbell to be facing. This one's kind of for a corner, straight, all that fun stuff. And now let's move on to the next product. Okay. Next product we have here. I wonder what this is. Okay, so this is the iHapper light socket. So you can make ordinary bulbs into smart bulbs with the iHapper. It is a smart Wi-Fi light bulb socket which is designed to work with the Apple HomeKit. It enables you to control lights directly through the Apple Home app or the Siri voice commands. It also supports the Alexa and the Google Assistant, and no hub is required. So that's pretty cool. You can connect it to, let's say, your like lamps or whatever, or your chandelier, the one that I keep breaking. I didn't touch it this time. Okay, so our next box here. Let's see what we have in here. This one's feeling kind of special. This one feels good. Wonder what it is. It is our HomeAutomationX t-shirt. This is our way to say thank you. So we wanted to give you one of our t-shirts so you guys can continue to support us. Next box is our last box, and let's see what it is. So these are headphones by V-Nex. They reached out to us to include these headphones in our unboxing video, and they asked us to buy it first, and then they said that they'll refund us. But we did buy it for $48. They told us it will only refund the money if we give them a 5-star rating, so I guess we probably will not be getting our money back because we won't be giving them a 5-star rating. That's how honest we are. But these are the headphones. Can I tell you a little bit about them? No, I don't have too much about them here, but there are links down below for all the products so you can learn more about it. It just has the usual power on button to skip forward, skip behind, and yeah, this is how they look on. But that's it for our massive tech unboxing, guys. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description box if you guys do want to enter to win all these fun things. I personally love the doorbell, so I'm gonna get all my friends to enter. I'm just joking. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We have many more unboxings to come, and make sure you guys also check out our Patreon account as well. And if you guys haven't yet checked out the rest of our videos, they are here on the right. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and check out our website, HomeAutomationX.com. I'll see you guys next time. Happy winning!